Hello everybody, my name is Jasmine Brown, and in this video I will be discussing NEC4, PSC, specifically the professional service contract and the options outlined within this document. I'm going to be breaking it down to bite-sized and understandable and easy to digest information just for the beginners of the civil engineering industry so that they can start and hopefully become curious enough to look into it themselves. So the NEC4 is a suite of contracts designed for the construction and infrastructure sectors, promoting a modern and collaborative approach to project management. So let's break it down. And collaborative approach. So this is it basically structures how the consultant, client, and service manager interact with each other in regards to delays in the work or increases in cost or anything of the sort that impacts the delivery of the scheme. So this can be done either through early warnings and also compensation events. So this is outlined in the document actually. On this page here, it outlines that an early warning needs to be sent either by the consultant or service manager, whoever identifies the issue that may increase the cost or delay the completion, as well as these various other bullet points here. But these are the two most common ones. And then also it outlines compensation events. So early warnings are just heads up that something may impact the scheme. Now compensation events is basically asking for more money, asking for more time to deliver the scheme. These points here, 1 to 16, outline when to send out a compensation event. The following events are compensation events. And so that could be, for example, the client doesn't provide information on time at a specific date that was agreed, for example, in the program. So I'm not going to read all of these out. I'm going to let you read this. I'm going to let you pause the video and read this page if you want. But that's essentially the idea. So the compensation event is basically asking for more time, money, for this to complete the scheme. So that could be a change in scope, for example, like the client asks for example, the client asks you to do an additional thing that's outside the scope of the job, of the task brief, the quotation that you had originally priced for. Now, talking about pricing, that's where the options come in.